Australians love gardening and growing their food. That doesn't mean we love the feeling of being beaten by the pests, the elements, or by products that aren't up to the task. Vegepod is a multi-award-winning, fully contained, self-watering garden bed, and it's Australian. Where other garden beds and pots leave your plants exposed to all types of weather, grubs, weeds, and contaminants, Vegepod's farm-grade mesh canopy protects your veggies, while the self-watering reservoirs below combine with the mist irrigation above to promote amazing growth rates. Vegepod. It's everything Australians love about gardening and nothing we don't. View the entire range at vegepod.com.au and start growing your food today.